guys. Today we're at Eastern Market Brewing Company.
I'm all kind of starting with this. This is like an old Pro Brewing Company boiler actually. So this is where we generate our heat. We can send it on. And those sugars are going to be put into the fermenter, and the yeast will eat the sugars, creating ethanol, which is our alcohol, and our CO2 as well. Back here too, we'll do like, so it's a little messy right now, sorry. Yeah, we have 2 James, Detroit City Distillery barrels as well. We're aging some beer in. That's the Madeira wine barrel over there. So it's really like a unique opportunity to do some really cool barrel aged stuff. I mean, the distillery is literally like right down the street, you know, so it's all pretty big and you hit it.
I was wondering, I saw the sign that said additional seating. I'm like, where?
Here is CO2. You spray at the bottom, it kind of adds like a little bit more like can, so it will keep it fresh for a little longer. Other purposes of CO2. Sorry. CO2 it again. What other? Outside of like adding a little bit more into the pop, what are the other purposes of CO2?
Preservative.
Yeah.
Preservative.
So it preserves the beer. So the CO2 in the can, they last for about a month after you can it. So compared to like a growler, after you open it, it's exposed to oxygen. It's gone with about 3 days. In a can, it'll last for about 30 days. So ideally, yeah.
Thanks.
Doesn't really like friction. Okay, I'll show you one thing. So then we literally just kind of like take it and you'll kind of like just hold it at an angle and then like slowly move up. And if it's your first time, no problem. Like everyone takes. You should have seen me, my first format is terror. There you go. Yeah, just open it all the way up.
No, you're gonna get too much head.
Like that.
Yeah, just
so you want to
keep
like,
it tilted.
You want to keep it tilted like. I'll show you. Like. So you want to keep it like kind of like at an angle so the beer has less friction, right? So you can kind of go like, and then as you finish up, slowly turn it out. Oh, okay. Yeah, perfect pour. So that is perfect. There you go. Cheers. all the time, bro. All the time. There you go. All right, I'm gonna pour for a beer. See if I'm cut out for working in the bar. Oh, there it is. No, that was not your fault. That was like foamy from the start. So it hadn't been poured yet today. So you good, you good. Yeah, it's pretty relaxed.
All right, this time is gonna come out.
Oh yeah. Huh? Cheers, oh yeah. Look at that. All right. I think I found my new job. You're hired, buddy.
Okay. So, can you tell me what makes working at the Eastern Market Brewing Company awesome?
Yeah. So the beer's great. First and foremost, it's a brewery. You got to have great beer to be successful. But I think the thing that really puts us over the top is the people here that work here and that are the patrons here that really make us special. We're housed in the market, which already is community-based, and we're a very community-based brewery, which is the best part about this place.
Why should people come here?
So people should come here because we tap a new beer every Tuesday. We always have a fresh rotation of beers, so you gotta come get it while it's good. If you like it, you gotta take a can home with you. And the creativity that we have as a small local brewery, we're able to do a lot of different creative beers. So if you're interested in those kind of like maybe a little bit more off the wall, meets traditional kind of beers, this is the place.